Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2020 Coachmen Apex 300 BHS. This is a large bunkhouse trailer, but it's still lightweight, 6,058 pounds dry. So it means it's really towable. You get a lot of space inside. You can accommodate a lot of people. I'm going to walk you through some of the features here on the outside, then we're going to go inside and see what kind of sets this apart. You have your big front window here, plus your LED strips there. It makes it a lot of natural light gets in. Plus inside, the shades block that out as well, so you can actually pick and choose kind of how much light comes in. It's really nice. Now this pass-through storage here. A couple of things you can notice right there after the bat is you have your magnetic latches. There's no flanges there. Plus, pass-through storage, really wide door. It goes all the way through as well. And it's completely separated from underneath your bed. And these are slam latches. You literally let them go and they close themselves. Really nice feature there as well. Electric tongue jack, simple up and down off your receiver, your coupler, off your rig. This is the other pass-through storage there. And right next to it, you have your solar on the side. This means this is wired for solar, so you can either put panels on the roof, or you can put just plug-and-play panels and easel them out and have them in the sun. A really big awning on this, and anybody who's familiar with Apex 251, which is a significantly shorter trailer, will notice a lot of similarities here. Really large window here, a really frameless window too, and above that are two outdoor speakers with some LED lights. Plus, the awning itself has a strip of LEDs, so when you're out at night, you can turn it on, and you're never going to kind of get lost in the dark there. One of the things, when you have a bunkhouse, you get a really nice outdoor kitchen area. Really nice size fridge, plugs, functioning sink, plus an outdoor grill. This is a canister grill, but it is a grill instead of a stovetop. You're not replicating inside cooking outside. It's a completely different form of cooking as well. Carriages back in, pins away so it doesn't shake loose. Plus you also have storage outside, which is really nice. When we come inside, we're going to see some of the features that really set this apart. Wide track for your axles, a lot more stability going down the road, especially at this length. So a big grab handle makes it so you can get up in and out really easy. Plus you walk in. So first things first, you walk in, there's a lot of seating, there's a lot of space here, really deep countertops, which means you get to put a lot of stuff on the counter and not have to worry about it interfering with either your prep, your meal time, or anything too. Your really nice fold back backsplash and folds back itself. And right here is your jackknife and couch. It does have a cup holders, plus this really clever USB plugins as well. And this jackknife's flat into a bed. Simple as that. Your media center here is super simple. It's DVD CD player, castable as well with your Bluetooth. There's a pin that's in this entire set right here that when your doors are out for your bedroom and the pocket doors close off the bedroom, you can actually pull the pin, spin the entire thing around, pin it back in. So this TV is doing double duty. Let's go into the bedroom here. Big queen size bed, accessible from either side. A lot of storage on either side as well, plus up top storage. So any foldables, any hangables, really easily done right there as well. Underneath the bed, you still have storage. Like I said, it's totally divided from that main compartment up front. So anything you want outside, keep outside, stays outside. Anything you want inside, you can make it handy inside. And then none of the two are mingling as well. You have your nice booth here as well. And if you move a little bit farther back, you have a stainless steel surface for the front of your fridge, and your bathroom has really nice vanity in it as well. Really good counter space, storage space for anything you need at hand in the bathroom, plus a really good sized tub and shower with a big skylight overhead. A lot of natural light, so it makes it so you don't need to flip on a whole bunch of lights at night, and gives it a lot more extra headroom up there as well. We head back to what makes this apart, which is your bunk room. So you have 1, 2, 3 sleeping surfaces. Now the futon on the bottom is really modular. It's super simple to fold out and fill this entire space with cushions. So this can turn into a sleeping area for a lot of people. And this is on a slide out too. So you're actually getting a ton more room in here. And the top bunk folds away, so you can make really good use of that bottom space as well if you're just hanging out. In here as well, you have your plug-ins for your television and plus your electricity. And if your kids are not hiding in this thing, which is a huge amount of storage, they should definitely try it, because they definitely will. You also have a ton of storage up here, so whatever clothes or kind of gear that the kids are bringing along, it has its space. It's not going to take over the main space storage as well. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, drop me a line at 773-655-7190 or stop on by the lot and say hello. Thanks.